Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Health Elegance. Today I am going to share with you a simple and fastest tip for colon cleansing. We will use just one ingredient in this remedy. The ingredient name is borax. It clears as much dirt as it accumulates in the stomach, removes constipation and cleanses the colon quickly. It does not have any side effects. Borax is helpful for all ages. You can give it to your kids also, but reduce the quantity to half. Now start the remedy. Take borax powder as required. 2 sips of warm water. Method. Add the ground borax in a pan and dry roast. First it will release the water, then it will swell. Keep roasting till it is dry. Save it in an airtight glass jar. Consume roasted borax powder equal to gram lentil grain by mixing 2 sips of warm water. Use it before meal 2 times a day. Using it for 3 days is recommended. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.